Hello everyone, welcome to my spiritual channel once again. Hope you all are having a wonderful time on this beautiful, amazing planet of ours. Today I'm going to be talking to you about sunbathing and sun gazing. First, I'm going to be talking to you about sunbathing and why we should do it, why is it important, what are its uses, and how to do it. So first I'm going to talk to you about sun. Sun gives us energy, sun gives us heat, sun gives us light. In the past number of years, we have started venturing outdoors lesser and lesser. We do not get as much as sun as our body needs. We would probably be indoors on our laptops or in the office or in school. Even children nowadays do not venture out that much. So the vitamin D that the sun provides us is totally lost for us. Now, not getting enough of sun, does not work well for us in these times, because sun gives us so much energy, so much light. It is so important for the functions of our body. Sun is important to us, like food is important for our external system, like food is important for our nutrition, for our body, for our growth. In the same way, the sun energy is important for our internal body growth. So it is really, really important that we again come back to the sun. We again start remembering how to, come out in the sun. Our ancestors living in India here, and our ancestors, my ancestors and all, you used to wake up to the sun god, used to do sun salutations called Surya Namaskars, would go down to the water side, or just pray to the sun god and just be out in the sunlight. Nowadays that doesn't happen anymore. So I'm going to be teaching you how to sunbathe and why it is important. Sunbathing is important because it gives you vitamin D, it will reduce inflammation in your system, it improves your digestion, it improves everything in your system, it makes your bones stronger. Also, getting sunlight every day is so important for the mind, for the brain, to remove thoughts of anxiety, remove thoughts of helplessness, and to generally make your mind calmer, to make your thoughts calmer. And this happens over a period of time. It cannot happen in one day. So how to do this? You can read up the so many benefits of being out in the sunlight. I'm sure your parents, grandparents, everybody must have told you this at some point of time. It is good to take sunlight into your system, and anyway, scientifically proven, vitamin D is given to us only by sunlight, which is good for our bones and good for absorption of calcium. But also, being out in the sun makes us feel happier, is good for our immunity, makes our mind slow down, relaxes our body, relaxes our system, improves digestion, and improving digestion means maybe you feel less hungry and maybe you lose weight. Who knows? Every person has a different reaction to being out in the sun. But one thing that covers it all is that sunlight is absolutely wonderful and very important for us. It is as important for us as eating food every day, as drinking water every day. In fact, sunlight also can regulate sleep disorders and sleeping patterns, and can bring you into a state of a good, healthy sleeping routine. So now, how do we sunbathe? Sunbathing is important to be that your body has to be exposed to the sunlight. So it's not just your hands and your face and you feel you've done it. No absorption, not much of absorption, I would say, is going to happen if you only put your arms and your face. It is important for your stomach and your back and your legs also to be there in the sunlight. So how long? Sunbathing can be done anytime between 15 minutes to half an hour every day. So, you could be lying down on your back and expose your stomach and legs in the front for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes when you're starting out. And then, turn onto your stomach and, 10 to 15 minutes, expose your back to the sunlight. Now, when should it be done? Sunlight is very important for us. If you do it at 12 o'clock at noon time, especially if you're staying in a tropical place which is hot and all, that would not be healthy for you. So generally 1 to 2 hours after sunrise, when you get the light of the sun and the rays of the sun, but they are not very strong, that is the best time to sunbathe. 10 to 15 minutes, about 1 or 2 hours after sunrise, or 1 or 2 hours, 2 hours or 3 hours before sunset. When you are getting the rays of the sun, but you are not getting the extreme heat of the sun, that is the best time to sunbathe. And just do it, experience it for yourself and watch the benefits. And for how long to do this? It is not something that, if you do sunbathing for one day, 3 hours, and you're like, okay, I'm done for the week. It doesn't work like that. That would probably be more harmful than useful for you. The best way to do it is, as I said, starting with 15 minutes, 20 minutes max in a day, but every day it has to be done. So try this for at least 3 months, extend it to 6 months. It is just as important, as eating your food. And as I have mentioned, the times that you should do it. Also, while sitting out in the sun, if you are feeling hot or you're feeling dehydrated, it is a good idea you can sip water or have an orange. And just every system is different, so every person reacts differently. So just listen to what your system tells you. Go by your intuition. Sip water if you're feeling thirsty. Eat an orange if you want. Because sunbathing will, totally improve your digestion. You may want to, use the bathroom after that, and you may want to remove the toxins, maybe. So a lot of things that happen. Don't get scared. Don't worry about it. Follow your guiding pattern of your body. Each body is different. Each body is individualistic. Each body is unique. So trust your gut and intuition. See what it says. For some people, 15 minutes may be good. For some people, half an hour also may be good. So it all depends on you, but take the energy. And second thing, when you're sitting in the sun, try and, just breathe, take deep breaths and thank the sun. Thank the sun for its beautiful light, for the energy that it gives our planet, for the energy that it's giving your body and your system. Just come from gratitude and just say thank you, and ask the sun to bless you and heal you in whatever spots you may be having trouble with, or whatever organs, maybe your stomach or your knees are paining or your back is hurting or anything. Just thank the sun for giving you light, for giving you energy, and ask the sun to bless you with all its power, so that you're full of vitality and strength and power back into your system. That is sunbathing. Now second, I'm going to be talking about sun gazing. Sun gazing also has to be, is just the process of looking at the sun directly. Just looking at the sun. Now sun gazing is important, because it sends the light directly to your brain, to your eyes. It improves your eyesight. Again, it improves your immunity. It will improve your digestion. It will improve everything in your system. It will give you calmer, peaceful thoughts. Every such thing that your body needs. Now, how to do sun gazing? Sun gazing is the process of looking at the sun. This, you can start this process every day. Like, start with 2 minutes for a week, increase it to 3 minutes, 4 minutes. As I said, go by your gut feel, go by your intuition. What is your intuition telling you? What does your intuition tell you? Does it need more sun? How does your system react to it? So start with 2 minutes initially. After a week, increase it to 4 minutes. After that, increase it to 5 or 6 minutes, and take it as you go. This process also should be done for a minimum of 3 months. Try 3 months. It will improve your eyesight. It will improve your brain functioning. It will improve your digestion. So many beautiful things happen. It is just amazing. So I am just requesting you to just experience it for yourself. Experience it and see how it works for you. Okay, now when? Again, this doesn't have to be done in direct sunlight, ever in direct sunlight. No, that's a total no. It can be done again 1 hour, 1.5 hour after sunrise in the morning, or about an hour before sunset in the evening. So try it at either of the times, either in the evening before sunset an hour, or after sunrise about an hour. All you got to do is stand and look at the sun. Just gaze. So this again is at the point of the sun when you are gazing, when there is no heat from the sun, there is only light. That's the best way to figure out, when you're looking at it, at the time to look at it. This also, as I've mentioned, start with 2 minutes, then go on to 5 minutes, and follow your gut. Follow your intuition. Actually follow your gut, because your digestion will improve, you will feel better. So many things will happen so just try that and see how it works for you. And as I said, at sunrise, 1 hour after sunrise, specifically 1.5 hour, and 1 hour before sunset. And just gaze at the sun and relax your body and just breathe and just be. Preferably, if you do this without wearing slippers, bare feet will be brilliant, so that you are actually having the effect of grounding also at the same time. But even if you're wearing slippers is okay, but if you can do it without slippers, nothing like it. Just gazing at the sun. Just do this, experience this for yourself, and do write or post your comments, or let me know, how it works for you, and and just invite this wonderful, beautiful sunlight energy into your life, and draw the curtains, as I say, draw the curtains and let the sunlight come into your life. Hope you enjoyed listening to this. Have a wonderful, amazing, joyful, beautiful journey on this amazing planet of ours. Thank you for listening. Namaste. God bless you.